Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be opening up this mystery Boxycharm. This is the March mystery Boxycharm box. They had two options. They had mystery number 1 and mystery number 2. I picked mystery number 2. So if you guys got this box and you got number 2, then this is what you'll get. I think, I don't really know, but if you guys got Boxycharm number 1, let me know what you got in your box. But we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what I got inside. And yeah, so if you guys love unboxing videos and spoiler videos, then give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean the world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so here we have the theme, which is the same card and theme as the other mystery Boxy looks we got. And if you guys want to see that video, I will have it linked in the description box. I think if I don't, just go search. I don't know. So this is going to tell me the prices of everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing on top is these brushes, which I already got, but I'm excited to have more. I actually really like this wooden brush on down here. Hold on. Ugh. I was gonna say on the bottom because it's on the bottom down here, but I actually really like it. It's a highlighter brush, but I used it for my blush, and it just like created such a soft, like, I don't know, it just, I like using it. It feels so dainty and cute. And yeah, so this one I will use for highlight and try it out. Since the other one is blush, obviously, because I have blush all over it. And then another face powder brush. Cannot ever have enough of these. So I'm super excited to have more of these brushes. They're just really cute. And I really like the style of them. They're just, I don't know, they're cute. So I like brushes, okay? Anyways, the next thing in here is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So I got this one already, and now I have another one. I cannot breathe. Ugh. I didn't smell the other one. Let's see if I can smell it. Yeah, it smells really good. I think I did smell the other one now that I'm thinking about it. But yeah, excited for this. And then the other thing in here is from Manicadar. Is that how you pronounce this? I'm not sure. This is a really like cool looking mascara. It kind of reminds me of like an ornament. Maybe I'm just saying that because it's Christmas time. I don't know. I want to open this up because I just want to look at the wand. I'm really interested in the wand. This packaging is really cute. I used to use this brand's single eyeshadow. It was like brown. I still have it for like the longest time. Like I actually like, I'm close to hitting pan on it because I would only wear one color ever because I was scared of eyeshadow palettes. But yeah, I loved that shadow from this brand. So this is the Bloom Volumizing Mascara, and it says step 3. So I guess there's more steps to this. I don't know. We just got step 3. And this is a very weird looking wand. I don't think I've ever seen a wand that looked like this. Here we go. It's so weird looking. And it looks messy. There's like stuff going everywhere. I don't know. We'll try it out and see how this wand goes. But for now, it looks kind of weird, but it could be really good. It could surprise me. And then we have another item here. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Monaco. I swear I just got this. Did I just get this? Hold on, let me look. I swear I just got this lipstick. Hold on. Let me go to the drawer of doom. Okay, so I did just get this. The top one came from my mystery bag, and this one is the Boxycharm one. I'm not going to swatch this one just in case I decide to give it away, but I will swatch this one. And some of you guys were telling me this was like a metallic lip topper, because when I swatched it, it swatched really streaky. Let me shake it up. And I get that now. When I first watched it, I was like, why is it streaky? But yeah, I totally get it now. And it's like, if you put it on and then you do that, it's totally fine and it wasn't streaky. But this is actually really, really, really pretty. Oh yeah, see, I don't think I shook it up before I swatched it, because look, that there's no streak to that. So I messed up in that last video, but it smells good. But yeah, that's the color. It's really pretty. You know, I might hang on to this other one because I really like it. So sorry. Oops. And then the last thing in this box here is another one of these Cover FX face palettes. This is in the shade medium to deep again. I gave the other one away to my neighbor, along with that Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in Caramel Kiss. But this is, again, way, way, way too dark for me. But since I have another one, I guess it's meant for me to have it. So I guess I'm going to hold on to it and like play around. Since I'm just going to keep it, I'm just going to, I guess, swatch a few, like this really dark highlighter. I don't have room anymore. It feels really good though. So maybe I could use it as like an eyeshadow or something. Let's just swatch a few. Holy crap. It feels really nice. It's kind of chalky though, but it feels nice. I need to wipe my fingers off. We'll just use this plastic because this room is a mess, you guys. You have no idea. Okay, so this is the face palette swatches. Wow, I suck at swatches. I am so sorry. But this, the contour shade, this like really chocolate brown, I don't actually have a shade that looks like that in like any of my eyeshadow palettes. So I think I might actually use that for when I want a chocolate brown shade in any of my eye looks. So this really comes in handy. Let's talk about the prices of everything, just because the last video I didn't talk about the prices, and now I'm kind of interested in what the prices were. So the Cover FX palette has a retail value of $45. The Wander Beauty Face Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask had a value of $34. The Moda Brushes Powder and Soft Glow Kit had a retail value of $29.99. The Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick has a value of $20. And the Manna Kadar Blue Mascara had a value of $29. So I'm pretty impressed with this one. Again, I can't use everything because I can't really use the face palette, but I will definitely get use out of the palette, so no worries there. But yeah, I think it was a good mystery. I kind of wish that they were actual mystery boxes and not labeled as a March mystery box or February or January or like any of that, because it's just the same box as what you would have been getting that month, you know what I mean? But it's okay because I didn't actually get Boxycharm or anything like that back in the day. I didn't start getting them until, I want to say June, maybe May, but I'm pretty sure June was when I started getting Boxycharm boxes. And so far Boxycharm has been like amazing, so I have no complaints about Boxycharm. Their customer service is really good too, so yeah, go Boxycharm. I just gave like a half thumbs up. You guys are thebomb.com, and yeah, so if you guys love this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. Look down in the description bar. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, then go down there and click my referral link. And if you put in whatever the promo code is right now, I'll have it down below. You can get a free Tarte palette, I believe, is what they're giving away now if you sign up for Boxycharm. So I just wanted to share that information with you. And yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!